Hey there guys! For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this fresh and youthful look, perfect for your Ngiting Tagumpay moments like grad peak and graduation, all by using affordable makeup. So let's get started. My skin is already prepped. Let's start with the primer. e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer is my preferred primer, but you can also use other primer that will suit best for your skin concern. Next is Liquid Illuminator. I want my look to be glowy, but if you have oily skin, better skip this step. For the foundation, I highly recommend Maybelline Fit Me because it is lightweight, has natural finish, great for almost any skin type. It is also long-lasting and it photographs beautifully. Avoid applying thick foundation on your forehead because it can be smudged by the graduation hat. Then whatever is left on your sponge or brush, apply it on your ears and neck to match the tone of your face. Do this especially if you will be photographed. For the concealer, I'm going to use Maybelline Age Rewind because this is known to be budge proof and has great coverage. Make sure to use the correct shade of concealer under your eyes. Avoid using concealers that are way too light for your under eyes, or else it would look like a reverse raccoon on the photos. To achieve a fresh young look, a baby pink blush is a must. This blush is from Colorette Color Tint in the shade Winter. Stippling brush is the best tool for this. Also, don't forget to blend the edges of the blush to remove the streaks. Time to set our base. I love Easy & Co for this because it doesn't have the white cast or the flashbacks and the finish is very silky. Don't forget to blend all the crease before setting with powder. And then after that, use a big fluffy brush to remove the excess powder. Time for the fun part. I'm going to use this matte peachy pink shade as my transition shadow. Distribute the pigment all over the lids using a tapping motion, swiping, and then circular motion. Using a smaller brush, I will add depth to the outer corner with this matte terracotta shade and then blend it using a fluffy blending brush. I want to add more depth to my eyes, so I will use this dark brown eyeshadow also from Squad Cosmetics to deepen the outer corner. Back to the peach palette, apply this shimmery gold to the center of the lids. Better to use fingers to avoid fallouts. Adding some more terracotta shade to intensify the colors. Apply the same colors to the lower lash line for a more cohesive look. Add some of that dark brown to the lash line to create some soft smoke. You can already stop here, but I want more shimmers. I'm gonna add shimmers to the middle part of the lids and onto the tear ducts. Use a matte creamy white shadow to clean the edges. I'm going to use this contour palette from Squad Cosmetics to add dimension to my face. Do not over contour because we want to retain that fresh and youthful look. From the same palette, I will use the highlight to add some glow. I didn't use the blush from the palette because I wanted a more cool toned baby pink that matches the liquid blush that we used earlier. For the brows, I want to keep it natural. Shape and fill in the brows using a brow pen, then soften the edges using a slanted brush and a spoolie. This particular brow product is no longer available in the market, but you can still use other products just like from Strokes. Keep your brow hair in place by applying a clear brow gel. To keep the soft look, I will use a brown eyeliner to create a half-winged liner. And then I'm now going to curl my lashes, then apply mascara. We can already stop here, however, I want to add some lashes. I prefer to use individual lashes because it feels more comfortable. However, it takes more time to apply, hence I was not able to show the application here. Now onto our lips, I'm going to apply lip liner that's a bit nude and pinkish, and then apply this lip tint from O2O. I just want to create that a little bit of gradient lip. And now we're done. But wait, I'm just gonna fix my hair real quick and I'll be back. And here's the final look. I hope you liked it and I also hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again in my next one. Bye!